G'day cocktail lovers, this is a fun little drink called the Whiskey Sea. And one of the fun elements, there's no whiskey in it. So why is it called that? This is essentially a rum sour sweetened with fruit liqueurs. But it's a slightly long description. I'm going to consult my notes just to get this right. This was created in 2023 by Itzel Gracian at the Manor Bar, which is in Montecito, California. Cocktails on the hotel's menu. They're inspired by novels authored by women featuring female protagonists. And this one is named after Anne Howard Creel's The Whiskey Sea, which is apparently about rum runners. So life can be confusing sometimes, can't it? I think we should give it a taste before I get too confused by what's going on. Ooh, this is sort of a summer by the pool drink, which is still the weather where I am. I can see this really working as a party punch as well. You could probably throw in some fruit chunks in your punch bowl and you'd be on a real winner with this one. Here's how I made it. In your shaker, put 2 ounces or 60 mils of an aged rum, and then half an ounce or 15 mils of White Crème de Cacao. Follow that with half an ounce or 15 mils of banana liqueur. And we're rounding that out with 3/4 of an ounce, around 22.5 mils of lemon juice. Add ice to the shaker, shake that good and hard for 10 or 15 seconds to chill and dilute the drink, and then strain that into a rocks glass over a big chunk of ice. It's comparatively simple, but using that combination of fruit liqueurs really gives it a little bit extra. There's something going on there. And of course, your choice of rum is going to make a big difference as well. So make sure to use a rum that you like. Honestly, I think it would be very interesting to try this with lime juice. The lemon juice is really nice. Lime juice would be interesting as well, I think. If you wanted to get fancy, you could use a banana chip as a garnish. I don't really go in for flamboyant decorations, garnishes on my cocktails. Because, well, I'm not doing it professionally. I'm just going to sit down and drink this. I am going to have a good time doing it, though. So I hope you're having a good time wherever you are. And do take care and do come back. Until I see you again, I will say cheers.